5.5.
What was it, 5/10, 4/10? What is it?
6.
6/10. 375 and 6. 25 on the gauge. What do we have? That's
25.
That was on an iron guide.
25.
So you got 25 on an iron on a brass guide.
Yeah.
So you should run another half a thou more would be nice, but actually I'm getting a little bit more. Well, depends on where you measure at, but it's not very good down there. Right there is 26, 27. That's better. I like it up there. That's good right there. I like it there.
Same.
It's 30 right up there.
Let me see.
Flip the head over.
Oh.
That side. This angle. Tight spot right there in the middle. See, that goes loose again. It's hourglass shaped. It gets really tight right in the middle. 22.
Let me see.
What are you going to see? A half a thou?
No, but I could see Burr.
Burr. Mr. Burr is in there.
Hold on. Let me hone in on my mic. Yeah, I'm reading half a thou.
See this one here?
Yeah, I like that.
This one's good.
Yeah, but I think we're getting a false reading.
Yeah, there's a big piece of crap in there.
Yeah.
And this one's at half in the middle this way.
I see where you're reading big.
This one's out around too.
Perfect.
I think it should be honed slightly. Especially that one's got the big burr tight spot in the middle. But it's up to you if you don't want to do it.
Nope.
You're a big boy. What's the intake? Did we measure that one? I think it was like 77, wasn't there something? Cheat sheet.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we were.
This one's better. This thing's off.
Oh, I was going for intake. Ooh, I was a little cockeyed.
You can disconnect that battery if you want on that one terminal on the floor.
Oh.
The jumper. I think it went off over there, didn't it? Turn the heater down. 27 right there. It goes to 29 or 30 that way. It's out around half a thou.
Yeah.
All of these halves add up when you get clearances. So. Remember, bronze is going to go probably tight.
Okay.
It's going to get a little sticky.
All right.
So you like them sticky?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Good.
Run sticky.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do anything about that? You're going to run it?
No, let's just do it. I'll just fucking run it a couple passes.
Could do a couple passes on it. You're going to do it? I think I should do it.
No.
Well, I know how to use my machine. You'll probably break it.
I don't care what you know how to do. Your body does not know how to move properly.
I was moving fine earlier. You didn't turn the light on over here either.
It sounded like a gay porno at the shop.
Yeah,
Here, go turn my light on, sir. Baby over here. My new video tripod right here. Doofus over here doesn't like doing videos.
He's gonna edit that shit out.
No, he doesn't edit.
Edit. Haven't you watched the videos?
Yes, I have.
Have you seen the editing in there?
No, I've never seen that.
The editing is closing the camera and opening
Yeah,
it up.
that's what I'm seeing.
That's the edit.
Yeah.
Or I'll trim it down from a half hour down to 15 minutes. That's the other edit. Why is my shoulder hurting from carrying this hip?
There it is. There it is. I called it. Yeah, right on the studs. Love that.
Be on that wood.
Yeah.
Okay, where's your bore gauge, sir?
My boy gauge?
Your bore gauge.
I got a boy gauge. So what, you just gonna hit the center?
I think it's the wrong size thing here. You know why I think it's the wrong one?
Because it is the wrong one.
Because we worked on an Evo last time.
Oh, wait a second. Never mind.
Okay, that doesn't work.
Are we sure we can trust this? Hold on, teacher.
I can't trust my arm over here to do anything.
I don't trust this. Why is this not on 0?
It's not supposed to be on 0.
Oh, you put a standard. That's right.
You want to go reset the standard for me, sir?
I don't know. Should I? Should I double check?
You can double check it
Before you blow out my hole?
before I make it tight. Or
Before you add a couple foul clearance? Where's your standard?
It's in the drawer.
I had no idea.
The left drawer. I think it's the second down. Should be a baggie right there in the front.
What size?
The size of your valve.
3/8?
I don't know how big your valve.
3/8 or 11/32?
That's you with the expert.
Oh my god. 11:30
I
seconds?
don't think he's going to help you, but he might.
5/6. No.
I like that one. 5/16.
11:30 seconds or 3/8.
Yeah.
I hate him. I hate him with a passion. I'm going with 11:30 seconds.
Hurry up.
No, I'm not going with 11:30 seconds. I'm going with 3/8.
5/8, you said? The guy feels a lot straighter now.
Close enough. You're a tenth off. I forgive you.
Intake felt good. Gotta make sure I did that right. Oh, or maybe it was left. I forgot. Was it off or on?
That was a tenth under.
Oh my god.
World's gonna end. The sky's falling.
And we were in the air. Sure hope I didn't hone it too much.
Fudge factor.
It's gonna feel really round. Feels kind of chattery.
Yeah. Matches the out of round valve.
I don't know which head this was though. Oh, my thumb doesn't like this for some reason. That feels better now.
Your light's off. What are we gonna do about that?
You missed it. All right, where's your board gauge, sir? Thought you were gonna do this.
Well, you had me holding the camera.
The camera's holding itself over there.
It was. I did lie.
Oh my, this thing is huge now. What number are we at?
Did you really? No, you didn't. You did not blow it out. I know you.
I did.
Oh, jeez.
Look at that. It's like 32, 33 now.
You just honed it a thou?
No. What was that around?
It was 23.
It was all screwed up. The intake got way bigger though.
Oh my god. I knew this was happening.
You been hitting on the thing?
I'm a thou oversized on the intake. That's typical.
It won't stick now. Oh, there's the one that was tight. That one's only 3. This the head. This the tight head over here. That one needs to be cut out a little bit further.
Anti-fatigue.
Yeah, this is anti. Yeah.
This one needs to be honed some more.
Why? 35?
That's the intake.
What was it supposed to be? You're crooked, by the way, in the hole.
29, and I think it's plus a half, so 34 would be good.
So we're at 35. Why would you hone that more?
This one here is at 3. It's right here in this 3 number.
And we were going for 25? Half thou?
No, it's 20 something. These numbers.
What was it? 7.
This one, the other one's 3132.
756?
I think you're 20. What number? You were 6. It's the bottom one.
756. 3756. 20.
76 plus 5, so 31. Okay, we got 30 on this one and 31 too on this one.
What do you mean plus 5? Oh, for the clearance.
Yeah. Because it's bronze, you want to run a little bit looser. All right, they're good enough for you. At least I'll run them now, but before they were too tight. And also now they're a lot more rounder and straighter than they were because they were kind of not feeling very good when I started honing
Wait,
them.
we were supposed to be shooting for 25 with the clearance.
That's for cast guide.
Right, that's after we add half a thou clearance.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it is. For the exhaust, we had 3756. Add half a thou. We're at 61.
What do you mean you're 61? What are you looking at? It's the bottom one. With your finger.
We're at 3756.
25.
What?
The exhaust on the bottom. 25. See, it says 25. So
Why is there
that'd be
37? Oh, exhaust. Oh, I see. Okay.
See clearance 1.9, 1.4. See the difference? Now the
What?
intake, you have to measure the intake. I think the intake was around 77, but I don't remember. Can
Wait.
you measure it?
This is before we added.
That's the size of the valve stem, and the cheat sheet says the dial goes on 25.
Oh, I see. Wait. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Because we set this with a 375 standard. So you have
Right.
to do some math. So instead of me doing math every time, I wrote it down.
This is your want list? Is this what you gave to Santa Claus?
That was my custom chrome want list.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Numbers.
Lots of numbers.
Pan shovel. That's a good one.
Pan shovel, not row though. Row's a different list. See if you can see the one below it says row. That's for row valves, because row valves are different than kibble white. See PM valves, kibble white, performance machine. And then see the other one, it says Evo on it, the other one. Okay, so we were at 25, so we're at 30 on the one, and we're at 31 or 2 on the other one, so we're good. That's on the exhaust. The intakes are looser. I gave the intakes 3 or 4 strokes on them just to straighten them up till they felt good and stop. So now they're looser. All right, so let's get these all cleaned up, and we'll see what we really got.